Evolution continues. Gamma 1.6 GDI. Hyundai Motor opens a new era in gasoline engine technology. Gamma 1.6 GDI realizes high efficiency, low fuel consumption, and performance. The roller-type chain optimizes coefficient friction, and the dual CVVT system realizes high performance with low exhaust emissions. High-pressure fuel system facilitates precise engine control by directly injecting fuel, increasing fuel pressure up to 150 bar. Variable induction system, VIS, delivers a variable airflow based on speed conditions.